Hello. Find the integral of xlnx dx. So to answer this question, we have to use integration by parts, which is the integral of u dv equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So we shall let our u to be the ln(x) and our dv to be x dx. So differentiating this, we shall be having du equals to 1 over x dx. And integrating this, we shall be having v equals to x squared over 2. So we substitute this in our formula, which is x ln x dx equals to u, and u is ln x times v, which is x squared over 2, then minus the integral of v, which is x squared over 2 times du. du is 1 over x dx. So we can first simplify this before integrate. This one will be x squared over 2 ln x minus, I can put the 2 outside, which will be 1 over 2, the integral of x with respect to x. So that gives us x squared over 2 ln x minus 1 over 2 times the integral of x, which is x squared over 2, then plus c. So our final answer will be x squared over 2 ln x minus x squared over 4 plus c. Thank you.